Are you a content creator who is always on the lookout for the perfect video editing software? Look no further than Filmora. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the different plans and features offered by Filmora, so you can make the best choice for your video editing needs. Hi, I'm Anna, and this is the VPN and Software Reviews channel. I want to remind you to check out the discount link in the video description to take advantage of the great deals offered by Filmora. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or a student, Filmora has a plan that can fit your needs and budget. So why wait? Sign up today and start creating amazing content with Filmora's powerful editing tools. Before we dive into the details of Filmora's plans and features, if you would like to go straight to the offer without watching the complete video, click the discount link in the video description below to get started. First up is the annual plan, which is perfect for those who are on a budget. For only $69.99 per year, you can enjoy all of Filmora's advanced editing features, including video, audio, and color editing. The annual plan also gives you access to over 5 million stock media items, making it easier for you to find the perfect visual and audio assets for your project. With the ability to cancel at any time, this plan is an excellent option for anyone looking to try Filmora without committing to a long-term subscription. Next up is the cross-platform plan, which is an excellent choice for content creators who need to use Filmora on multiple platforms. For only $59.99 per year, or a one-time payment of $69.99, you can use Filmora on Windows PC, Mac, Android phone, iPhone, iPad, and Android tablet. The cross-platform plan includes all the features of the annual plan and offers added flexibility and convenience. You can easily switch between devices and continue working on your project without any interruptions. If you prefer a one-time payment option, the perpetual plan is perfect for you. For just $79.99, you can enjoy all of Filmora's features without any recurring payments. This plan is ideal for those who want to invest in high-quality editing software without committing to a subscription. Filmora also offers an effects and plugins package, which you can try for free for 7 days before paying just $20.99 per month, a 43% discount. This package includes access to over 150,000 creative assets, 200 plus pro-quality visual effects, 1,000 plus template presets, and 150 plus portrait matting effects. Additionally, you'll get 10 gigabytes of Filmora cloud storage to keep your projects safe and easily accessible from anywhere. All Filmora plans come with the same service features, including 1 gigabyte of Filmora cloud storage, 30 minutes of speech-to-text, and 5,000 characters of text-to-speech. These features are perfect for content creators who want to make their videos accessible to all audiences. In conclusion, Filmora offers a variety of plans to fit any budget or editing needs. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, Filmora has the features and tools you need to create high-quality content. Try it out today and see for yourself why Filmora is the go-to choice for content creators around the world. Don't forget to check out the discount link in the video description to get started. Thank you for joining us in exploring the different plans and features offered by Filmora. With its affordable pricing, cross-platform compatibility, and wide range of advanced editing features, Filmora is a great choice for content creators of all levels. Don't forget to take advantage of the discount link in the video description to get started today. Happy editing! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials on the latest software and tech products. See you in the next video.